In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix to make a portfolio website, step-by-step 2025. Start by heading to Wix and opening My Sites in your account. From there, select Create New Site. When Wix offers a chat-based setup, choose Set Up Without Chat so you can move through the standard builder flow at your own pace. Next, pick Portfolio as your site type and hit Continue. When you see template styles, choose Portfolio Canvas and continue again. Wix will ask about your goals. Select Drive Sales consistently. Even if your site is mainly to showcase work, this option unlocks helpful tools for inquiries and bookings. Click Continue, then Add and Continue to accept the recommended features. Now choose Design Site to enter the builder. You'll see two strong paths: customize a template or generate a design with AI. You can explore both. If you prefer full control and a faster start, pick Customize a template. If you want tailored layouts based on your details, try Generate a design with AI, then move to Pick a template. Preview a few designs by clicking View, and when you find one that fits your style, like a clean Hello portfolio, select it and choose Edit this site to open the Wix editor. Inside the editor, click the highlighted sections to customize your homepage. Replace the hero headline with a concise statement of what you do, and update the subtext with a short value proposition. Click Images to replace them with high-quality visuals that represent your best work. Aim for consistent aspect ratios, and add alt text for accessibility. Use the left panel to navigate pages or sections like About, Projects, and Contact. For a cohesive brand, open Site Theme to adjust fonts and colors once and apply them site-wide. Keep your copy scannable and action-oriented. Think clear project titles, short descriptions, and obvious buttons like View Case Study or Contact Me. When you're happy with the essentials, click Publish to push the site live. Then select View Site to open your live URL. Click through your menu and any featured project buttons to make sure everything works as expected. Test forms to confirm messages are delivered, and check the mobile view on your phone for spacing, readability, and tap targets. If something looks off, jump back to the editor, tweak, and publish again. Iterating is part of the process, and that's it. You've created, customized, and launched a professional portfolio with Wix. Save your progress often, update projects as you grow, and revisit your design periodically to keep it fresh and